Xiaomi's car manufacturing has encountered obstacles, and the Xiaomi car brand has not been approved. According to rumors, the model of Xiaomi car has been finalized, which looks exactly like Taycan. In addition, the more serious point is that the brand of Xiaomi car has not been approved, but has been included in the disorderly expansion of capital. What? My car hasn't started yet, but it's already over. There is no doubt that under such circumstances, there is a high probability that the Xiaomi car brand cannot continue to be used. On this point, Huawei and Baidu seem to have been instructed by an expert, and they avoided it perfectly. But the ensuing question is, if Xiaomi Auto changes its brand name, or if there is a problem with the production qualification, does it mean that there will be no more Xiaomi Auto? Maybe it was a pain point, or the rumors were really wrong. Xiaomi, which had promised not to refute the rumors, was uncharacteristically anxious to refute the rumors. Wang Hua, general manager of Xiaomi's public relations department, said bluntly, "The news is not true, and there is no such thing as the so-called brand needing approval. Therefore, we can only try to guess a truth in this confusing fog." After all, with the arrival of 2023, the automotive industry has entered a new stage. There is no doubt that the competition in the new energy vehicle market in 2023 will become more intense. Whether it is Tesla's potential price reduction or the continued efforts of strong brands such as BYD, it all implies that the upcoming market structure will change dramatically. However, Lei Jun, CEO of Xiaomi, who bet on all the honors, does not seem to be in a hurry. Why is Xiaomi not in a hurry? What is Xiaomi's strategy? What killer features does Xiaomi hide? Hi! Welcome to Auto Age. Before we started today's video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Since the beginning of this year, the biggest revelation about Xiaomi cars comes from Lei Jun's speech. At that time, at the final One More Thing session of the Xiaomi press conference, Lei Jun personally disclosed, Xiaomi Automobile decided to take autonomous driving as the first breakthrough direction, invested 3.3 billion yuan in the first phase of research and development, and the exclusive team size has exceeded 500 people. But what is surprising is that when it was disclosed that Xiaomi Automobile bet on autonomous driving, Lei Jun said, "In the next 2 years, I am not going to refute rumors, and I am not going to introduce any new progress. I will report regularly at the right time." Today, when all kinds of news are flooding the internet, Xiaomi chose to remain silent because of rumors. It is hard to imagine how such a timid Xiaomi can build a car brand. Without the regular caliber output, only rumors are left in the market. In fact, the issue of Xiaomi's production qualifications is not a new topic. Previously, some media predicted that the Xiaomi automobile factory would obtain the qualification for automobile production in June 2023. Earlier, an insider revealed that relevant parties in Beijing are trying to push Xiaomi to acquire Bourgeois Automobile and transfer the production capacity of 180,000 vehicles of Bourgeois Automobile to the Xiaomi Automobile project. On November 29, 2022, Baiki Photon issued an announcement about the court declaring Bourgeois Automobile bankrupt, officially declaring Bourgeois Automobile bankrupt. But today, the cooperation between Xiaomi and Bourgeois has not made any more progress. In addition, taking over Bourgeois actually means taking over negative assets of up to 2.29 billion yuan. In general, judging from Xiaomi's actions to build a factory, we can know that Xiaomi Auto must have a lot of confidence in the issue of car manufacturing qualifications. Nevertheless, as far as the current new energy vehicle market is concerned, no matter how calm Xiaomi is, it must be urgent. As strong as Tesla, it has to rely on price cuts to recover increasingly weak orders and deal with the ensuing long-tail problems. It is no exaggeration to say that if Xiaomi does not stand up and establish its own brand image, by 2023, it may really be too late. The cars of the same period as Xiaomi cars have already been unveiled, and they will inevitably be launched in the near future. Not to mention Huawei, in addition to AITO, Chery etc. all have smart car selection plans, plus Avita, Huawei HI version, and its product team is even stronger. In addition, Xiaomi must now face another more serious problem. What kind of promotional content should Xiaomi rely on to most effectively establish its initial impression in the industry? In fact, the cost performance is Xiaomi's best label, but in the face of Tesla's dimensionality reduction attack, it is obviously not so good. Coupled with the use of autonomous driving as a breakthrough, there may be only one way left for Xiaomi Smart Equal Rights. What is smart equality? In short, it is to implement sufficient and complete intelligent capabilities, including intelligent driving, intelligent cockpit, etc., on relatively affordable electric vehicles. It is obvious that today's smart label track is already very crowded, and if Xiaomi wants to stand out from the encirclement, it can only spend more time on intelligence. But on the other hand, Xiaomi seems to be more afraid of falling into the low price trap, so it shows more hesitation. The good news is that according to the latest news, Lei Jun has made up his mind at this time and will not make a second Xiaomi phone. According to people familiar with the matter, Xiaomi's first car is a medium-sized fastback sedan, internal code name Modena, which is divided into two versions. The plan currently being discussed internally is, one version is positioned in the range of 260,000 to 300,000 yuan, and the other version is more than 350,000 yuan. In fact, Xiaomi's starting price of 260,000 yuan also exceeded psychological expectations. From the perspective of this pricing range, Xiaomi seems to want to follow the old path of Xiaopeng P7 and face the challenge of Tesla Model 3. When the electric vehicle industry matures, the top 5 global brands will have more than 80% market share. In other words, the only way for us to succeed is to be one of the top 5 and ship more than 10 million vehicles per year. What Lei Jun said was not completely unreasonable. It's just that thinking about it further now, even if it has an existing user base and is similar to Xiaopeng Motors, it only delivers 120,000 cars a year now. And if Xiaomi really sets the price of the first car at 260,000 yuan, then the distance from its annual shipment of 10 million cars is as short as the distance between heaven and earth. So, is Xiaomi too confident? In fact, confidence has always been part of brand strategy. It's just that the other side of this coin is that if you don't listen to the voice of the market, you may suffer a double blow from the market and consumers. Xiaomi is no exception, and it will struggle in the uncertain 2023 even under heavy pressure. Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.